Guys, there's no doubt about it. John Wick is one of the coolest action heroes to grace the silver screen since James Bond. And just like James Bond, John Wick really knows how to rock a suit. But what is it about John Wick that makes him so stylish? And can you steal that for yourself? Thomas with Real Men Real Style here. Guys, it's time for a style challenge. Today, I'm going to show you how to master the look of John Wick. Let's start with the clothing. You'll almost always see John Wick in a suit, typically in black, though sometimes in a dark charcoal gray. When it comes to the style,
Italian.
The number of buttons on the jacket,
2.
And for the lining,
Tactical.
Now that last bit may be hard to do unless you have access to John's tailor, Angelo. Now many guys think that black is the quintessential color for a suit, but that's actually not correct. Black is a very stark, somber color, and it's best safe for funerals or formal events that call for a tuxedo. For most guys, a charcoal gray or navy suit is going to be a better choice that can be worn in almost any situation. But John Wick is an assassin out for revenge, so the starkness of the black suit works well with his character. Next up is the dress shirt. John wears both white and black dress shirts, typically with French cuffs. Now wearing a black shirt with a suit isn't recommended, as it brings down the formality of the look. But hey, I'm not going to be the one to tell that to John Wick. And from time to time, you'll also see him rock a black turtleneck with his suits. Next up is the tie. He keeps it simple, with a silk necktie in solid black, with no noticeable pattern or texture. Based on the thickness of the knot, I suspect he's using a half Windsor. For a timepiece, John has a Monero Auto Date, which is a beautiful automatic watch. But let's just say the price tag's a little bit steep for this video, so I'm going to switch it out for a budget option instead. The key features to nail is a black alligator strap, silver case, white dial, an overall sleek, elegant dress watch design. He wears it on the inside of his wrist, which is likely to help protect the watch from getting broken while he's fighting. To top it off, he goes with a simple black leather dress belt. Now you won't see him rocking many other accessories. He doesn't wear a pocket square, a tie bar, or a lapel pin. Now for footwear, John goes with a pair of simple black bluchers. Typically, I would recommend Oxfords instead of bluchers to go with the suit, as they are more formal. The main difference between the two is the open versus closed lacing system. Basically, the Oxfords have a sleeker, more elegant silhouette. But again, I'm not going to argue with John Wick. And of course, John Wick wouldn't be John Wick without some quality hardware, which includes everything from pistols, to carbines, to shotguns. Now, let's talk about the grooming. John rocks a close-cropped beard. He keeps it relatively short and tidy, so I don't really need to do much with my beard here. I'm just going to take a trimmer and clean up the neckline a bit.
Alright gents, whether you're using an electric, safety, or cartridge razor, consider using an aftershave balm. Applying this after you shave helps to cool the skin and prevent redness. Now gents, the grooming products you see in today's video brought to you by Vitaman. And instead of me telling you how awesome they are, how about I put a link down in the description of today's video so you can try them for free. Seriously gents, use that link in the description to grab a sample kit over at Vitaman for free.
For the haircut, he's grown his hair out to almost shoulder length. Now my hair isn't quite long enough, but if I concentrate really hard and think of a bad guy killing my dog, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back. Now John Wick's really cool, but what about Tommy Shelby? Check out this video here guys, where I'm going to show you how to dress like a Peaky Blinder.